In the heart of the Arctic, where temperatures plummet to mid-50 degrees Celsius, survival is a daily battle. First, find shelter. The wind here can kill faster than hunger. I've lived this life for decades. Age doesn't stop me. It teaches me.
A small depression will block some wind. Perfect for tonight. This'll do. Time to make camp before dark. Set up tent quickly before night falls and the cold turns deadly. Clear the snow to ground level. Insulation starts with a solid base. Ground sheet first blocks the frozen ground from stealing body heat. Shock corded poles, easy to assemble even with cold, stiff fingers. Use snow anchors. Stakes alone won't hold in powder.
Shelter up. Now it's a home against the Arctic night.
Fresh tracks. Rabbit was here this morning. Cover it lightly, too much and it won't trigger. Multiple snares increase chances. Patience pays. Same method, different path. Nature provides if you listen.
Now wait, never too close, or they sense you. Check quietly, success or reset. Thank you for the gift. Your life sustains mine.
One down. Enough for tonight.
Second check, hoping for more.
Two today. Good fortune in the cold.
No catch here, reset and try again tomorrow. Time to head back. Fire and food await.
Wolves smelled the blood. Time to move fast.
Keep moving. Keep moving. Don't look back too long. They're gaining, but they hate steep climbs.
made it. They won't follow here.
Respect the wild. They know when to quit. Close call. Arctic reminds you who's guest. Fire is life. Start small, build steady. Feed it slowly. Too fast and it dies. Stable fire means heat all night. Key to surviving the freeze. Never eat snow raw. It cools your core. Melt it first. Clean work. Waste nothing from the land's gift. Small pieces cook faster, saves fuel.
Roots add flavor and nutrition, whatever the tundra gives.
Let it simmer. Flavors meld, warmth spreads. Almost ready, simple, but it fills the belly. Hot and hearty, best meal in the cold. Good enough for tonight. Grateful for every bite. After the chase. Fed and warm, ready for whatever night brings. Clean up quick, keeps the space livable and the critters away. Bank the fire, enough heat to last till dawn without wasting wood. Seal it tight. Wind and cold are relentless at night. Into the bag. Body heat is your best blanket. Another day survived. The Arctic doesn't forgive, but it rewards the prepared. Survival is more than enduring. It's respecting the wild that tests you. All secure. Sleep comes hard-earned. Rest now. Tomorrow's battles wait at dawn. In solitude, we find strength. The wild keeps its secrets and its lessons. Rest well, old friend, until tomorrow.
In the cold, we endure. In the quiet, we live.